Struggling to manufacture complex metal parts efficiently? Wouldn't it be great to produce intricate designs that traditional methods can't achieve, meeting high-volume demands on time? Introducing Metal injection molding simplifies complex design creation. By injecting feedstock into molds that match your product shape, we manufacture intricate parts efficiently. How it works. First, we mix metal powder with binders to create feedstock. This feedstock is injected into molds to form the desired shape. After molding, the green part undergoes debinding to remove primary binders. This leaves a fragile brown part, ready for the next step. The brown part is sintered at high temperatures to fuse metal particles. This process densifies the part, resulting in a robust final product. Plus, our parts can be used as sintered, eliminating extra processes. Complex designs can be manufactured with much ease. A large number can be produced in a given time. The parts can be used as assembled without any other secondary process. Can avoid all the multiple conventional manufacturing processes for the manufacturing of a single part. Low cost in production, higher yield. Sounds interesting? Transform your complex designs into high-quantity parts with ease,